Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 23rd September 2024. In a significant relief for Tata Sons, the Adjudicating Authority or AA of the Goods and Services Tax Department has dismissed a GST demand of over Rs 1,500 crore on the company over a settlement deal with Docomo. The department had argued that since the payment was made on behalf of Tata Teleservices, it should be treated as a loan from Tata Sons to the group firm and hence liable for 18% GST. Tata Sons had challenged the claim, arguing that the payment was the outcome of arbitration proceedings in a London court and therefore GST was not applicable. The AA order will act as a precedent for companies engaged in arbitration. The department has the option of contesting it before the High Court. SpiceJet plans to expand its fleet to 100 aircraft by the end of 2026 after raising Rs 3,000 crore through new shares. The airline aims to capitalize on strong market demand and has resolved issues with lessors and manufacturers. It will focus on returning grounded planes to service and acquiring new ones. High net worth individuals are using corporate credit cards for personal expenses during overseas travel to avoid breaching the $250,000 annual limit on foreign remittances. The government may soon implement rules to include international credit card spends under this limit, but distinguishing personal from business expenses remains challenging. SEBI has modified the framework for the valuation of investment portfolios of alternative investment funds or AIFs. Under this framework, securities other than unlisted, non-traded or thinly traded securities will now be valued in accordance with mutual fund regulations. The change came after SEBI received feedback from the AIF industry, which highlighted issues with certain aspects of the valuation framework for AIFs. The circular shall be effective immediately. Further, AIFs will now have 7 months, which was earlier 6 months, to report valuations based on audited data from investee companies. Tata Steel announced that it has commissioned India's largest blast furnace in Kalinganagar, Odisha, with a total investment of Rs 27,000 crore. It added that the Phase 2 expansion at Kalinganagar will take the total capacity at the site from 3 million tons per annum or MTPA to 8 MTPA. The new blast furnace will significantly boost the plant's overall production capabilities, allowing Tata Steel to meet the growing demands of various industries including automotive, infrastructure, power, shipbuilding and defense. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.